welcome to Break Loose, where we teach you and show you how to break loose of the 9-to-5 grinds and free your life up to be able to play video games for a living, because that's the dream. I'm telling you, the DeFi space is where it's at. Play to earn is the future of gaming. Why would you play a game you can't make money playing? I mean, even if you're if you're like a super rich Twitch streamer, whatever, play whatever you want to. But if you're not, why wouldn't you do something like this, where you're like playing a game that makes you money while you're playing it? Like, this one's a little slower paced right now because like the whole game hasn't been released yet. But as you can see, dude, they're building this whole world. And now let's check out one of my favorite new projects, DeFi Kingdoms. You guys know about DeFi Kingdoms? You gotta be on the Harmony mainnet. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's what I have pooled. Wow. I didn't realize I had 12,000 Harmony pooled. What is Harmony worth right now? Oh, it's 13 cents. Okay. Alright, so when you go here, 13 cents times 12,000. What is that? Okay, about 1,560 to... Okay, it's about even. That's okay. That's not bad for liquidity providing. And if you see... Oh my gosh, I've got like $1,000 in Jewel that I can pull right now. A 9,000 locked that's pending. And then apart from that, my total locked balance... Oh my gosh, dude, that's insane. Wow. Oh my gosh. You guys, if you're not in DeFi Kingdoms right now, let me show you something. Let me show you something. This is the price of Jewel right now. Oh, I can look at one here. That's pretty cool. Let's go to Jewels. Let me show you something right now. Jewels is at $1. Okay, when I got in, it was at about 89 cents. So, you know, I did get in a little lower than this. But you guys, look at where it's already been. $1.45. And that's nothing. Like, DeFi Kingdoms is just kicking off. There's so much more that this project has to offer that's just now starting to be implemented. It's already been up like 50% from where it is right now. If this isn't a discount that you're taking advantage of, wake up. Cuckoo. Jack Black, School of Rock. I had to. All right, DeFi Kingdoms. I wanted to show you guys this. Okay, so apart from the really cool money I'm making, let's check the bank. I want to show you guys what I'm doing in the bank. So I've currently got about $6,000, which is worth Okay, I currently have 6,077 X Jewel in the bank, which is worth 8,158 Jewel tokens. Keep that in mind, you guys. When you stake in the bank... Did I say stank in the bank? Oh my gosh. When you stake in the bank, I've done that twice, you are going to accumulate X Jewel. Well, X Jewel is worth $1.34 per X Jewel compared... Sorry. Each X Jewel is worth $1.30. Each X Jewel is worth 1.34 jewels. God, that was hard for me to get out. So, that's how I can have 6,077 X Jewels, but it be worth 8,158 jewels. Now, keep in mind, each one of these is worth $1. That's insane. I mean, you guys, if you're not taking advantage of this, you don't know how to crypto. You just don't know how to crypto. And I hate to say it, but... Alright, now check out these new zones we have. Let me just go to the overworld map. Alright, So we've been to the portal, although we do have the Arc Druid at the portal now. Let's talk to the Arc Druid. What is your quest? It looks like the Arc Druid will be giving quests. That's pretty awesome. What did I start with on what, Scotty? The first phase of Hero NFTs is launching soon. Hero NFTs. I didn't win one. I'm really upset about it. If anybody in the DeFi Kingdoms Discord is watching this, I'm going to cry live on stream until you give me one. Okay, let me go back to the bank real quick. I have a question from one of my most important subs. So I believe I put in... Well, initially I put in 5,000-ish, and then I put in a little more. I put in 6,077 Jewel tokens. That's how much I put into the bank. But as X Jewel becomes worth this, see where it says 1 X Jewel equals, here, let me get my mouse so you can, where it says your X Jewel balance. 1 X Jewel equals 1.34 Jewel. Well, I put in 6,000 regular Jewel, okay? But because when you stake it, it becomes X Jewel, and the X Jewel is worth more. So as you leave it in the bank, the X Jewel continues to grow in price. So the X Jewel will be, like, I believe when I first put mine in here, X Jewel was worth 1.1 something, or maybe 1.21. And now it's worth 1.34, which is how I can... Nice, wish I had something to get some with. Yeah, dude, I know. There's so many really good projects right now. But that's just staking. Like, as the price of Jewel goes up, this becomes worth more too. So not only is X Jewel worth more than Jewel, but as Jewel goes up, the price of my X Jewel goes up. So it's just insane. And then if you check out the gardens, which is where you can do your liquidity providing, you talk to the Druid, and I did Jewel 1, Jewel and Harmony 1 token. And I have currently 10,157 unclaimed Jewel tokens. The reason why I don't want to claim yet is because as you wait, the amount that you immediately get unlocked grows. So I'm just going to wait until this is worth like $1 bajillion, and then I'll claim the max. What I wanted to show you was the APR when I first started with this was about 20-something thousand. So obviously it's gone down as more people put liquidity in. But dude, at this point, like, even if there was impermanent loss, I've literally made so much in rewards that it doesn't even matter anymore. I deposited $8,000 worth, and look how much I have in rewards already. I mean, more than my deposit. And that was 2 weeks ago. Like, not even 2 weeks ago. I put in $8,000 into liquidity, and I made $10,000. It's freaking awesome. I just love this project, dude. And it's just gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. Show you how to get what, Scotty? How to get Jewel? All right. Well, first thing you want to do. I'll just do a walkthrough. First thing you want to do. Go to Google and type in Harmony mainnet for MetaMask. You see this? Harmony mainnet for MetaMask. Click on that. MetaMask Harmony. There's the info you want. Open your MetaMask. Go to this thing here where it says networks. Go to custom RPC and enter all this information in there. Save it, and you'll have the Harmony mainnet on your MetaMask. Okay? That's step 1. You can rewatch this if I'm going too fast, okay? Then what you want to do and close that, is you want to go to the one bridge. This is bridge.harmony.1, okay? Here you can exchange, you know, obviously you're going to be on Binance if you're like coming from like SBC and stuff like that. Or any other Binance project. You're going to want to exchange your Binance for Harmony 1, and you just do that here. You put in your, you know, whatever token you want to do. Wow, they have so many options. Right there, BNB. Boom. Put in your BNB amount, and then you just put in, you know, your wallet address for the Harmony mainnet, which is right here. And you put that in here. And you put in the amount of BNB you want to send, you hit continue, and boom, you're golden. All right, so once you've sent some BNB in the form of, it's like, it turns your BNB into like Harmony wrapped BNB, kind of, is what you're doing. So yeah, and then, you know, you go to DeFi Kingdoms, and let me switch wallets so you can see what it looks like. All right, there you go. So like if I were to create my own, like I'll just create my own right now. On this, oh, I actually have a little bit of one. How funny. So yeah, I'll choose this super hot chick because that's how I roll. Her character name shall be Tedalastai, which means it is finished. Complete profile. And it takes 0.002 ONE, which is literally less than a fraction of a penny. Hit confirm. The next thing you want to do is go to the bank. Well, no. Go to the marketplace. Hit up the trader. Be like, what up, bro? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna trade your Harmony wrapped BNB right here. It'll be BSC BNB, and you're gonna exchange it for one token. Or I think you can actually just buy Jewel right here. Can you? Maybe not. I don't think you can. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, you can just exchange your BNB for Jewel right here. And, you know, enter amount, blah, blah, blah. And once you've got your Jewel tokens, you come over here to the bank. And you're like, what's up, bro? I want to deposit. And you just deposit all the Jewel you have. Hit approve. Enter the amount, hit approve, and there you go. Now you're staking, and now each Jewel you deposit is worth 1.3. Each Jewel you deposit becomes the next Jewel and is worth 1.3 Jewel. Leave it in the bank because this is how you make money. All right, so let's go back to the map. I want to show you this new place on the map, guys. This is, oh my gosh, you guys. This game is just, it is a baby that's just starting to crawl. And dude, I'm telling you, once this baby figures out it can crawl, it's gonna fucking start sprinting. It's gonna become a Kenyan freaking Olympic sprinter. And you're gonna be like, oh my god, it's getting every gold medal that I've ever seen. And then it'll be too late. And it'll be worth $1 billion, and you'll have to sell all your Bitcoin to get it, and you don't want to do that. So just get in now, guys. Just get in now. All right, check it out. Professions. I can't wait. I can't freaking wait. All right, check it out. Check it out. We'll go to miner last because that's what I'm going to do. And that's probably what 90% of people are going to do. But let's check it out. Whatever. All right, we'll talk to the Fisher. Fisher Tom. Very original name, guys. Have a sit. Got some drinks here if you want. It's a fine day for some company. Besides the fish, that is. They're always biting at this spot. Now, you're going to be able to fish. And fishing is going to allow you to get fish. What will the fish do? I don't know. I don't fucking know. But you know it's going to be awesome. Let's go to the forager. Woodsman Aurum. Many useful plants out in the wild hide themselves from the untrained eye. Do you have the knack for finding the medicinal ones, or the deadly ones? Both have their uses. All right, guys. So it looks like we're gonna be able to be a forager and go out and like actually find different plants. Who knows? We'll probably be able to like do some kind of alchemy or something and like turn them into different stones and maybe even like make jewels or something with them. Gardener. Druid Lam. You have gained trust among some of the druids, I have heard. I will show you of some of our special gardens. Ooh, special gardens? What's this? Let's go see what's in season and ripe for the picking. So if you go to the current gardens, this is where you can claim your jewel rewards, right? All right, so if I claim, that's what I can do right now in these gardens. And this is from liquidity, I believe. So you provide liquidity, you can claim your rewards here, right? Well, what do you think the special gardens are going to be? Well, can you like grow other tokens? Who knows? It's going to be awesome though. Mining. Quarry Smith Gren. The tunnels run deep in Hollowberry mines. Careful you mine your path or you'll be lost in the dark for good. Be careful, guys. You don't want to get lost in the mine shaft of wonder. So mining obviously is going to be a way to mine jewel. I'm almost certain. Alright guys, that's it for me. Roy Hale 3 on YouTube. Check it out. All my links are linked in my Willow, which, hold on, let me put my Willow link in here. Please consider donating. Well, I say donating, but it's a PayPal account that you can donate to. All my socials are linked here. If you want to help me grow the project, that's how you can do it. I would really appreciate it. There it is. Check it out. PayPal link is in the Willow. All my other socials are linked there too. I appreciate you guys so much. Swing back by for the latest and greatest in the DeFi space and the NFT play to earn marketplace. And I will see you guys in the portal. You want updates on all the newest crypto news? What? You like making money playing video games? Follow my Twitter, which is right now going to be linked in the chat. Well, you like seeing really beautiful scenery from my full-time day job? Follow my Instagram, linked in the chat. What? You like watching entertaining and informative videos on crypto and play to earn gaming? Follow my YouTube, linked in the chat. What's that? You want to be a part of the Break Loose family and be really cool? Join the Break Loose Discord, linked in the chat.